Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have KYBER Network daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below, and be ready to get a nice advice on how to take easy profits, and of course, the exact price targets you're going to have for every altcoin you're going to buy or short. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see KYBER Network. So KNC against USDT chart. What do we have right here? Is KNC bullish enough to go all the way up higher, or will KNC retrace back to the below 1.6 USDT? We are going to find out right now. Let's go a little bit to see what it has happened on the daily frame. In the daily frame, we have gone a little bit nicely because we have been outperforming Bitcoin over the last days, actually over the past few weeks, and you can see that KYBER Network has been forming every week being green. Look at that right here. Very nice, very good from KYBER Network, KNC. But what is next right now? Can we go even higher? Of course, we are going to start a little bit with KNC against Bitcoin chart. Right now, if we go to the 4-hour frame right here, KNC against Bitcoin chart does not look the best one. We have continuous bearish RSI divergences in the 4-hour frame, but at the same time we remain this as a support level, this line right here. As long as we remain above this line, then KNC against Bitcoin chart is good. However, the daily frame, we have a ton of risk right here. Look at that daily RSI above the 70, maybe forming right here a bearish RSI divergence. This will lead to a higher high in the price and the lower high in the RSI. You should be a little bit careful right now. We might be having, for example, a very quick crash coming in even today, going from a green day to a nice red day. Let's see a little bit of the support levels for KYBER Network against Bitcoin chart. Right here, what do we have is, we are going to see these support levels of KNC against Bitcoin chart. I could draw the Fibonacci from here as well, but I would prefer to draw it from this point. If you draw it from this point on 21st July, then you are seeing more short-term price targets. For example, if I decide to draw it from the 21st July up to the 22, sorry, then we are having a very huge support level, which is the 0.408207. This is why KNC against Bitcoin chart found a nice buying pressure right here, and this is why we went all the way up higher. Okay, but KNC against Bitcoin chart has also formed a bearish RSI divergence, so I decided to go a little bit from this bottom right here, so we can see some very important targets for KNC against Bitcoin chart over the next few days to the next few weeks. So you can see 0.507827, 0.540, 7172, and we have many other support levels as well for KNC against Bitcoin chart. I think that we are going to manage and go down here into the next few days, into the next few weeks. And for KNC against USDT chart, this will mean that we go further down. Also, do not forget that KNC against USDT has found the 50-day MA as a resistance level. It has found the 20-day MA as a resistance level for now as well in the weekly frame. In the daily frame, we are above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, but unfortunately, we were forming with KNC against Bitcoin chart some bearish RSI divergence. But let's see what happens with KNC against USDT chart. Right here, you can see that we are not forming bearish RSI divergences. Instead, we are forming higher lows, higher highs with the RSI, and it seems like that we can go even higher, right? But at the end of the day, if Bitcoin goes down and crashes down, KNC against Bitcoin chart won't be able to just push the price of KNC against USDT up. Therefore, KNC against USDT, it is going to crumble down as well. So this is why I want you to be a little bit careful with KNC against USDT chart. I know that it sounds very good. It had a crazy pump coming in at the start of January. Look at that. It went even to the 5.7 and then we retraced back down. I want you to be extremely careful with KNC against USDT. For now though, we have the 4-hour frame a little bit risky right here. I want you to be careful. As long though as we are going to hold this line, we are good. Let's see some short-term price targets for KNC. I'm going to draw the fib from this bottom right here to this top. And you can see that right now, if I just do not open the logarithmic scale, the fact that we didn't close above this line, it is bad. But the fact that we remain above the 1.86, it is good. If we close below the end 1.86, then be certain that KNC is going to crumble down even lower to the 1.77, to the 1.70, to the 1.63, and after it is going to correct even more. So you have to be careful. If we do not lose the 1.86, then we are going all the way up, possibly even higher than the 1.867. Now, Bill, what is the most probable scenario for KNC? Unfortunately, it is to correct. I would give, though, some chances into seeing a price pump, especially if this 4-hour frame turns to close out as a green candlestick and above the 1.85. If we see that, then KNC might be able to go all the way up. Unfortunately, though, most probable scenario is to go down. Let's wait and see, though, because in 2 hours and a half from the time I record the video, we are going to see the result, the outcome of this green candlestick right here. If it stays green, then expect another pump towards maybe even the 2 USDT. So right here, yeah, KNC could manage to go all the way up to the 2 USDT. However, what we have to do right now, it is to maintain first the 1.85, sorry, and then to close above the 1.867 in the 4-hour frame. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos.